Greatness. Whoa. All my life I hustle just to get that moolah. And stack my change up, then go see the jeweler.
Hey guys, so right now I am supposed to be on my way home. Right now I'm gonna show you my room because it's finally finished. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you there. Now I gotta find my keys. Alright guys, this is my room. It looks so much bigger on camera. Basically, this is how my room looks with the light on. The first thing you'll see if you turn around is basically my handbag and then my umbrella. On the side of my wall is like a telecom, but it does not work. And then the first thing you'll see if you walk in my room is me. And then you'll see my bed. Think from. So one thing I want to mention about this room is that the walls are super thin. But anyway, here I have these marble sheets, which I really like. The theme I was going for was gray and teal. This is just my laptop. I leave it on open just for the aesthetic. Say Martin. Yeah. Now you'll see my fluffy rug, and it's my favorite. This came on the bulletin board, but these two I pinned up. This is the taxi service, and then some numbers I'm gonna need one day. These are just menus and the societies I want to join for this year. Then this is just my hair care bag. It doesn't have much in it at the moment, but it's just like the staples that I'll need. I just got this because I saw this on YouTube, and let me tell you, this is strong, sis. It is strong. Then I have my speaker here. This is just like a container that I got, so it'll be fair. Yeah, I don't know what I wanted to put in it, but just I have pens, hand lotion, lip balm, earrings, and lollipops. It's pretty random. Yeah. Now I have the letter G. This is my favorite. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I really think that it's really cute. And I just have two Sharpie markers in there. Here I have my planner. I didn't even write my name. Beneath it, this is the planner that I take to school, and then this is the one that I keep at home. So this is what I write, you know, I have to join the volleyball team, stuff like that. Then here is the makeup. So I have my lipsticks and lip balms. This is my primer. Then I have all the foundations here. These are just the compacts that I have, like my highlighters, blush, setting powder. And then these are all the brushes. Then here are like, I don't know what to call it, but it's like thing for the pimples, the little scissors, the spoolie. Yeah. And then this is my Real Techniques beauty blender. It came with a case, which is so cute. And then these are my eyelashes. I have yet to buy some more, but I don't really wear eyelashes. I'm just trying to start it out for now. Here is a lamp. It does not have a bulb because I couldn't find which bulb had to go inside of it. The lady told us one thing and then it didn't work. So, and then this is my mirror for when I wear makeup. I really like this mirror. I got this off of Amazon, but I really like it because it has light, and it's really good because I don't have light. Then here's my favorite part of my room, honestly. So I got these 2 flowers at some home department store. I'll leave it on the screen. These are the 2 perfumes that I use. I didn't want to bring a lot of perfume from home, so I just bought the 2 travel size perfumes. I have 2 mugs I got from my school for free. I have a couple USBs and then a SIM card for my old number. Then I have this picture, this graduation picture of me, my mother, my father. We look cute. Then I have money. Guys, look at pounds. For the people in St. Martin, look at pounds. Like, it looks like play money, but it's really pretty. These are the keys to my room. I got it in gray to match. And then here's a baby picture. Basically, I bought these because they were cute and I just have them in my room. And then I have a water bottle, sunglasses. Listen, I did not want to spend money on sunglasses, right? But last week was so hot, so I bought them. Here I have some food, bowls, orange juice. I buy these at school every day. And then I have this text box thingy and a scented, I can't speak English, I don't know what this is called, but I don't think we're allowed candles in the room, so I just got something to make the room smell nice. Okay, also I forgot, I have my bag just on my desk chair, so it's easy to pick up and it doesn't really hold space. The first drawer is basically, honestly, I don't really have anything to keep in these drawers, but I got vouchers, like vouchers on vouchers. And then underneath here, I just have all my important documents. I have my laptop charger, some spare headphones, and then a container just in case I have to keep stuff in the fridge, which I don't for now. And now the last drawer is my favorite drawer. This is the secret stash. I have all my snacks in here. Ramen noodles. Alright, so this is what my closet looks like. So basically I color coordinated until next week when I need to find an outfit and all this gets messed up. These are my sneakers and I have heels in the back, iron, and then the ironing board in the back. That's my closet. Now in this drawer I basically have another towel, some hand towels and wash rags, and then an extra pillowcase. And then here I just have my medicine and then light bulbs, toilet paper, you know. Heading on to the bathroom. This is my favorite part of my room, other than like the lights and this. Alright, so this is the bathroom. It is so cute. I really like it. Here I just have my spray bottle. This, I did not want to get this, but my mother wanted it. But it fits like perfectly next to my sink, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Then I got a marble soap dispenser. Then I just have like, you know, toothbrush, deodorant, Glycerine. I just bought this. I saw this on YouTube and I'm hoping it works because a sis going through a lot. This is my shower. Basically that was on the wall, but then while I was asleep I heard like bragadang and I guess it fell, so I'm just leaving it there until like someone can help me fix it because I don't really want to be bothered. That's basically it. Wait. Let me pass it on up and get a wine up.
I got going to go get a mink. Yeah, new finger rings it like a sink. Yeah, you a bad bitch, then we can link. What? Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bad, yeah.